think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Did you get you to trade heroes for ghosts, ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, comfort for a change? Did you exchange walk on the part on the wall for a lead role in a game? I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What have we found? Same old fears. Wish you were here. I saw her today at the reception. Glass of wine in her hand. I knew she would meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometimes, you might find you get what you need. Well, I went down to the demonstration to get my fair share of abuse, singing you're gonna vent our frustration. If you don't, we're gonna blow a 50 amp fuse. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get But if you try sometimes, you just might find to get what you need. Get what you need. I went down to the Chelsea drugstore to get your prescription filled. I was standing in line with Mr. Jimmy, and hey man, did he look ill. Well, we decided that we would have a soda. My favorite flavor, cherry red. I sang my song to Mr. Jimmy, and he said one word to me, that was Dad. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometimes, you might find to get what you need. What you need. I saw her today at the reception. In her glass was a bleeding mill. She was practiced at the art of deception. I could tell by the blood stain. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. And if you try sometimes, you might find to get what you need. Get what you need. Well, get what you need. Get what you need. Almost cut my head. Happened just the other day. It was kind of long. I could have said it was my way, but I didn't. Wonder why. I'm letting my freak flag fly. I feel like I owe it to someone bitter because I had a flu for Christmas. I'm not feeling up to ball, and it increases my paranoia. Looking in my mirror and seeing a police car, but I'm not giving it an inch to feel, 'cause I promised myself this year I feel like I owe it someone. When I finally get myself together, I'm gonna get down in the sunny southern weather, and I find a place inside to live. Separate the weed from the chaff I feel.